Thank you for choosing the India First Mediclaim plan. Let us now quickly look at details of how you can benefit from this plan using its features. The basic details that you need to know are: what are the two options available under the plan? What is the health benefit available and how much do you need to pay? What are the hospitalization benefits? What are the other value-added features available under this plan? What if something happens during the plan term? Let's look at each of the questions individually. What are the two options available under the plan? India First Mediclaim plan is an indemnity-based health cover that allows you to choose your benefits depending upon type of plan opted for: Easy Health, Premier Health, at the time of applying. Additionally, you can also upgrade from Easy Health to Premier Health at the end of the 3 years. What is the health benefit available and how much do you need to pay? Well, you can decide the health benefit, sum assured, you want for yourself and your family based on your individual needs from the options available. You also have the option to pay your premium yearly or monthly depending upon your convenience. What are the hospitalization benefits? Hospitalization benefits provide cover against actual medical expenses which require a minimum of 24 hours hospitalization. They are based on indemnity, actual occurrence of the event, subject to a limit of the annual sum assured. You can also reimburse expenses incurred for 30 days pre-hospitalization and 60 days post-hospitalization on the recommendation of a registered medical practitioner. You may also reimburse expenses incurred for domiciliary hospitalization under the Premier Health option. The plan also provides reimbursement for maternity benefit under Premier Health option in case opted for. The plan also covers 200 daycare procedures in any of our network hospitals. What are the other value-added features available under the plan? Your India First Mediclaim plan also offers you the International Best Doctor Service as well as one of its kind health claims card. The Best Doctors Service provides you expert medical consultation over the phone. Its inter-consultation service provides a comprehensive medical review by the experienced medical team and expert physicians through detailed analysis of medical history, course of treatment undertaken. You can also access Ask the Expert facility when you have questions about your health condition and treatment options. If you choose to undertake treatment abroad, we can help you find the best care. Here, best doctors on your behalf make appointments, organize all details regarding the medical treatment, including arranging for hospital admission, physician appointments, accommodations, transportation, and customer service. Additionally, you have complete medical information on your fingertips through online access to a health page for you and/or your family members where you can avail a database of medical information as well as ask for details of diagnosis, medical advice and treatment from across the world. Our one-of-its-kind health claims card is most convenient at the time of medical emergencies. You can simply swipe your health claim card just like you do for your debit or credit card at the time of admission as well as claims and minimize all paperwork. Our call center will instantly authorize the claim amount after checking the eligibility. What if something happens during the plan term? In case of the unfortunate demise of the primary life assured, the proportionate premium for the deceased member will be paid to the nominee for the uncovered complete months of the remaining period. Any member who is a major and is paying the premium can be the new primary life assured and the plan will continue for the remaining members. A lump sum amount equal to the sum assured under India First Term Rider, if any, will also be payable in case of unfortunate demise of the primary life assured under the plan. In case of the death of any other member, the plan will continue to be in force for the remaining life assured and a proportionate premium for the deceased member will be refunded for the uncovered complete months of the remaining period. When you get your plan, do read it carefully. If you find it is not the right one for you, then you may cancel the plan during the free look period. That is, within the first 15 days from the receipt of your plan document. Ensure your health. Contact us now.